Hello everyone, welcome to Kshitiz Career. Today we are going to discuss one of the important scheme in exam point of view is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. It is launched on April 2015. So, it is extended components of soil health management under National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture. So, the main aim of this scheme is to support and promote organic farming in India so that improvement in a soil health is take place. This Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana is done on the basis of two important pillars. First one is cluster basis approach and second one is PGS. This Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana is performed through cluster basis and PGS. PGS means Participatory Guarantee System. It is a form of organic certification. It facilitates the farmer to certify, to label and market their organic produce domestically. And second one is a cluster basis. Cluster basis means what? Here the 50 or more farmers forms the cluster. 50 or more farmer forms the cluster having the area of either 20 hectare or 50 acre. So they form a group and perform the organic production. In this way, during the period of 3 years, 10,000 clusters having area of 5 lakh hectare are under organic production. Financial assistance provided for each farmer group is 10 lakh and 4.90 lakh are provided for mobilization and certification. So, each farmer is provided rupees 20,000 per acre and rupees 50,000 per hectare. So, for organic production, here in this scheme, each farmer is provided rupees 20,000 per acre or rupees 50,000 per hectare during the period of 3 years. So, it involves the cost from the seed to harvest and to the transport of their produce. So, here the farmer which is included in the group, out of which 65% from the small and marginal farmer. Out of the total number of farmers in the group, 65% of the farmer shall be from small and marginal farmer, and out of the budget which is allocated to the group, of which 30% given to the woman farmer. 30% given to the woman farmer. Funding pattern under the scheme is 60:40 basis, means 60% from central government and 40% from the state government. And for the northeastern region and Himalayan region, the funding pattern is 90:10, means 90% from the central government and 10% from the state government. And in case of union territory, the 100% funding is provided by the central government. Sikkim is first organic state in India and Madhya Pradesh ranked first in organic certification. Main aim of Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana to brought maximum area under organic farming so that the better health of the soil or improvement in the health of soil. So if you like this video, then press like button and do subscribe our Kshitiz Career channel. Thanks for watching.